Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Voice Chat Easy Guide. Tap the microphone icon to begin speaking and speak clearly into your device. Use short prompts and pause to let Gemini respond before continuing the conversation. Adjust settings to choose a voice tone and language, and test volume with a quick sample chat. If responses feel off, toggle sensitivity and retry until speech matches your intent in real time. Start by framing your question briefly and include relevant context to help Gemini respond accurately. Use conversational prompts like ask, explain, or summarize to guide output style. If you need stepwise instructions, say please list steps so Gemini formats the reply clearly. Try both natural speech and concise commands to see which yields better results for your task. Practice a few times to learn how the model interprets your tone and phrasing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a neat companion for learning on the go and perfect for listening breaks between voice chats. Check the description for the link and other deals that might help you set up a better study or travel kit. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If Gemini mishears you, pause and repeat the phrase more slowly and clearly to improve recognition. Check app permissions to confirm microphone access and restart the app if audio input seems disabled. Update to the latest version to avoid bugs that affect voice chat reliability. When responses truncate, prompt Gemini to continue by saying continue or expand, and provide a short reminder of the prior context to regain conversational flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.